So you've got a pocket door and it's crooked. The top closes tightly while the bottom has a gap. At the last minute, I saw something that saved me a lot of trouble and work, and I hope it does for you too. You've probably already figured out how to use a screwdriver to open that latch. You figured out you need one of these. Either you found it because they're supposed to leave it with you, or if you've lost it, or maybe you've discovered you can order it on Amazon or eBay. eBay is about half the price that you'll get it on Amazon. That's only $4 versus only $8, so it's not a big deal either way. And you'll probably learn that although you can kind of get it up there, it's still too tight to get in there and crank it around. Like I did, you probably came to the sad conclusion that you need to take apart the molding, go through the work of trying to put it back, repair it, patching it. A tough job. But then, before you do that, take a look up here. This is what saved me. The frame itself, these little screws, were loose. And when I tightened those screws, everything was fine. So if you're as lucky as I am, that's all you need to do. And you'll get a good solid door again, just like it was before. Good luck, hope that works for you.